So before you start any formulation, you want to make sure that you are cleaning your surfaces, your bowls, you're cleaning your spatula, you're cleaning everything that you're going to be using for your formulation. Now, I know that I say this all the time, but please make sure you don't skip this process. You don't skip this step because it is going to determine whether your product will be safe enough to put on your skin. Remember, anything you put on your skin goes straight into your bloodstream. So you want to make sure you are taking all the precautionary measures to make sure your products are safe. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Select Kalio, and on this channel we do everything skincare. I hope you like my channel and I hope you subscribe and stay subscribed. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate every one of you guys on here. I know I have been MIA, but today I am bringing you this bomb recipe. Please stay tuned. Okay, I am back. Thank you so much for stopping by, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very beautiful recipe. Now this recipe is a face cream. It is for whitening your face, it is for brightening your face. It helps with pores, large pores. It helps to remove sun damaged skin. It helps to clear out wrinkles. Basically, it is an all-rounder cream. Now here I have my cocoa butter, I have my stearic acid, I have my cocoa butter, rosehip oil, I have my emulsifying wax, and my cetyl alcohol. Now if you are not familiar with making creams from scratch, then you want to watch this video here. Click this link. It'll take you to my base cream where you would learn how to make your own base creams at home. And this product is a whitening product. This cream will clear your sunburn, it will smoothen your skin, remove wrinkles. It is basically an anti-aging cream that will benefit the mature skin very well. I'm going to use my distilled water. Here I'm using distilled water. You can use aloe vera juice, you can use any extract of your choice, and you can also use rose water or any distillate water that you can get. Now here is my oil and my water. As usual, you know the drill. I'm going to go ahead to put them on a double boiler to get them on the same temperature. Now while they are on the double boiler heating up, I'm going to measure out all my other ingredients. Don't worry, I don't want to talk too much on this video. All the ingredients are going to be listed in the description bar. If I forget, please call my attention to it and I will make sure that it is there. All the measurements and everything will be listed on there. Now this is my carotene powder. Now for this powder, I want to warn you, if you're going to be using this powder, make sure you are using it at a very small amount. I'm telling you because I know this messed me up. So make sure you're using it at the lowest rate, which is 0.05, and you will be good because it stains the skin. So you don't want to have that yellow cast on your skin. So make sure you use it at the lowest amount. Now, to find out about our upcoming trainings, both WhatsApp trainings and physical trainings for group and private classes, please leave me a message using the link in the description bar. It will take you to my WhatsApp. You can ask me all the questions you want to ask about the training. And also my ebook is still available and selling. So if you want that too, you can reach me using the link in the description bar. Just so I don't bore you guys, I will stop talking and let you watch the video. Make sure you check out the description bar for all the ingredients and their measurements. And if you haven't subscribed, take this time to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I put out a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.